Today we will be adding a computer control to a layout based on my experiences, trials and errors building my own layouts over the last 10 years. It would be near impossible to discuss or show all hardware software, but I can only show you what I have used. Over the coming episodes, I shall take you through each stage of the project, passing on what I've learned and sharing my trials and tribulations. We shall be looking at what you want the layout to do, the budget costs, the size, time frame, hardware including controllers, computing, feedback detection, the design and the software.
Well, hello and welcome back to Harburn Double Low. It's hard to believe, but the channel is now 1 year old and I have got over 100 subscribers. Thank you very much, folks. I do appreciate it. The name of the channel hasn't changed much. I still plan to build a fully computerised model railway using the budget of a Yorkshireman. Talking about budget, the channel has now got a sponsor. So let's go over for a word from our sponsor.
How much did that cost?
It was a bargain. Well, it was a bargain. I've been working on a few ideas for videos and content for the layout. I had quite a bit of success with the Rockrail tutorials. So it isn't finished for the Rockrail tutorials. I'll go into a bit more detail with different aspects of Rockrail. I also plan to do how much it cost, i.e. what's the budget for the layout. When I first started off doing the computer controlled, I was advised by a shop that it cost me thousands of pounds for feedback units. But I think I'm down to a budget of a reasonable amount for people to be achievable for most people for the feedback units. So I'll be going into a bit more detail on the costs of Harburn just shortly. Of course, if you've got any ideas yourself or anything you'd like to see on the channel, please put a wee note in the comments and I shall try my best to put as much content as you'd like in the channel. I have got a technical advisor in the name of Alistair Fitchie. He's a fellow member of MERG of the East Coast of Scotland group, and he has advised me to do a disclaimer. So over to Alistair for his wise words.
The disclaimer. I am a total idiot. If you copy me, you will die from electrocution or alcoholic poisoning. Please take care when working with electricity. An average person on a good day has 50,000 ohm resistance. It takes 3 milliamps to kill you. Do the math. In my days, I was taught that anything above 50 volts AC or 30 volts DC can kill. Also, be aware, switch mode PSUs can push a lot of current out, enough to cause a fire. Somewhere in the coming videos, I will probably end up demonstrating this phenomenon.
Well, thank you, Alistair. Words of wisdom indeed. I have made a few mistakes building the layout here and also my previous layouts. I think it's always wise to share your successes and also your trials and tribulations as well. It is going to be a brief video. What you will notice down here is I've been trying to use a new concept from YouTube as what you call timestamps. So in my longer videos, if you want to concentrate on a small piece of information, you can skip through the video to each time frame. So hopefully it'll be a help to you as well. So once again then folks, thank you very much for the subscribers. And thank you for the positive and also the negative feedback as well. It's always nice to get some feedback. So please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.